Hi there. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create an account and place an order directly on the MW Components website. Start by heading to mwcomponents.com/register. Fill out your personal and company information, including name, email, phone number, and any other required fields. Before submitting, you'll see a checkbox to verify that you're not a robot. Go ahead and complete this step. Once that's done, click Create an Account. Next, check your email for the verification link. Click the link to activate your account. After your account is verified, return to the site and log in with your new username and password. I'd like to walk you through on what you can view on your account page. When you're on the website, you can click My Account. Here, you can view account information, orders, quotes, addresses, and log out. After clicking Account, you'll be able to view your account information, and this is where you'll change your password if needed. In this, you can also view your previous orders. These are from offline and online. You can reorder simply by clicking the Reorder button. You also have visibility of quotes, and you can reorder from here too. You have the visibility of the different addresses between billing and shipping, and be able to utilize and change this within here. And lastly, this is where you'll log out. When you're ready to view products and purchase, you simply click the shop icon located in the top toolbar. Here you have the option of searching by keyword, product name, or part number. We have multiple filters to find what you're needing. We also have product categories, including springs, fasteners, and precision components. Within here, you have the options to search, view descriptions, add to cart, and buy. You also have the option on some parts to request a quote to get pricing before purchase. Once you have the part that you want to purchase, you can simply click View Status with the inventory, change quantity, and quickly add to cart for purchase. Some parts require a quote before they can be added to the cart. If you see a message like to continue your selected configuration, please submit a quote through the cart. Just follow the prompt. Our team will review your request and reach out with pricing details. Our other checkout option is the fast add to cart process, where customers can select a quantity, view inventory status, and add to cart for checkout. If you're placing a large order with multiple parts, we make the process quick and efficient with our bulk order tool. You have two convenient options. One, manual entry. Simply enter the parts and quantities directly into the provided fields. This is great for quick lists when you already know what you need. Second option is CSV upload. For even faster entry, upload a CSV file using our downloadable template. Just match the format, part number, and quantity, and your items will be instantly added to your cart. When you're done adding parts, you can head to your cart to finalize your order when you're ready to check out. At checkout, you'll need to enter your shipping address. You can select a shipping method or choose Use My Own Shipping Account to enter your own carrier info. If you have a coupon code or PO number, there's a designated field to enter them during checkout. Just make sure to click Apply after entering so it gets added to your order. You also have the option of uploading a physical PDF order here. You can finish by entering your payment details. We have a drop-down for credit card selection, or if you have established terms, the invoicing option will be available. Then submit your order. You're all set. After placing your order, you'll receive a confirmation from the website confirming the order was placed. After the order is imported into the site, you'll receive another confirmation confirming ship dates. You can go back to your order and your account on the website and view the different status. One status is processing, that means it's still in production, and another status is done. Once it's done, that means it's shipped. You can click on that order and you can view shipment info by simply clicking the button and seeing the tracking information provided by the carrier.